How are you, friend? Today we are going to learn about the vital parts of our body. EVS Standard 4, Chapter 1, Part 1. Dear friend, let's think about any machine. How does it work? Our body is also like a machine. Some parts are external, which is outside of our body, such as hands, legs, eyes, nose, etc. And some are internal parts which insides of our body, such as liver, stomach, brain, lungs, kidney, and so on. Do you think all parts of our body keep working all the time? Do we work even when we sleep? Some of our internal body parts work all the time without a break. For an example, heart, brain, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. works day and night to keep us alive. If any of these stop working, it means we die. Dear friend, let familiar with all of these parts. The first is the brain. The brain is inside our head. Our brain controls all the functions of the body. It also stores information in the form of memories. My dear friend, the brain is inside our head and is protected by the skull. Our brain controls all the functions of the body. It receives information from the all sense organs about the surrounding and gives order to the different body parts to respond to the situations. It also stores information in the form of memories. The second part is lungs. Dear friend, lungs are pair of air-filled bags present inside our chest on both the sides. Lungs help us to breathe. Hair inside our nose do not allow dust to enter our body. When we breathe in air into the lungs, it is called inhalation. When we breathe in air into the lungs, it is called inhalation. Most important part it is. When we breathe out it is called exhalation. Dear friend, the lungs expand when we inhale. When we breathe out, it is called exhalations. The lungs contract when we exhale. Lung is the most important for us because it helps us to breathe. The next is the heart. The heart pumps blood to all the other parts of our body through the fine tube called blood vessel. Dear friend, the heart pumps blood to all the other parts of our body through the fine tube called blood vessel. Blood carries digested food, water and oxygen in our entire body. Dear friend, blood also collects carbon dioxide and the waste material to remove from the entire parts of the body. That's the most important concept, my dear friend. Blood collects the carbon dioxide and waste material to remove from all the parts of the body. Dear friend, heart works day and night to keep us alive. Heart works day and night to keep us alive. Dear friend, the chest, the heart is reddish brown organ of the size of the fist. Dear friend, the heart is reddish brown organ of the size of the fist. It has 4 chambers. Dear friend, it has 4 chambers. The 2 chambers of the upper side are called atria, singular atrium. The 2 chambers of the upper side are called atria, singular atrium. The 2 chambers on the lower side are called ventricles. The 2 chambers on the lower side are called ventricles. Dear friend, blood flows throughout all these 4 chambers in the heart. Blood flows throughout all these four chambers in the heart. The rest of the lesson should be continued in the part 2. So, the friend, we have learned the many things in this chapter, that is, blood body parts that are inside the body and cannot be seen from the outside are called internal organs. Some internal organs are vital for life. Brain is the control center of the body. It controls all the functions of the body. Lungs are air-filled bags that help us to breathe. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Arteries are the thick walled tubes that carry pure blood from the heart.